Hi guys. Yeah, I thought I would do a little bit of a video on my BushCraft Back Pack. But first, you probably all seen through a few of my videos how I get kind of winded fairly easy, and that's from smoking. Now, I am working on that. We decided we're gonna start doing something about it. My company has a program to where they can help you quit smoking, and they'll supply you with what you need to do it, plus they'll call you and help you through your issues, and support team kind of. But I sent away for the nicotine gum. I got 6 boxes of these. There's 110 pieces in each box, and also I got the patch, Nicorette patch kit. I'm going to start chewing the gum a little bit, start cutting back, and I'll start in on the patches once I feel I am down enough to where the gum isn't satisfying my craving. I go through about a pack a day. I open a pack in the morning, and I'm opening my next pack the next morning. So it ain't real bad, but it's bad enough. But that's where we're at on that. So let's get at looking at my backpack for bushcrafting. Now it's a little bit of a breezy day today, so I do have the wind cancellation on the video turned on, but we'll see how it works. This bag is a Globetrotter, from Globetrotter Camping Equipment. It has to be in the neighborhood of probably in the 70s. I'm not positive. I did a little research on it. I do not find anything with this model. This was acquired to me just from a friend, gave it to me. It has 2 side pockets, one front pocket with a zipper. It's made out of canvas, which is really dry. I'm going to do another video of waterproofing the bag with beeswax and mineral oil or mineral spirits. We'll see how that works out. But what I carry in the bag, this is an Elk Ridge nylon sheath, as you can see. It's a fixed blade. It is ER 564 stainless. It's a 4-inch blade itself. Very ergonomic. Very thick shank for hitting. It has for to where you can put a tether on it. Just picked this up. It's not bad. It's made in China, but hey, it's a knife, right? We'll be probably upgrading later on. But that's that. And then a pair of sunglasses, which I just threw in there. If you're kind of wondering what the stick's all about, this is my fire bow. You can make these out in the woods. All you would really have to do is carry your cordage. But I like this one because it already has the bend in it. Very strong wood. We'll do another video of this, but you just tie it on and tighten it up. You got your fire bow. You don't need to really carry it. You know, like I said, you can make one in the woods. And over in this pocket, a lot of this stuff I probably don't need to carry. Some of you can leave a comment below on what I should get and what I don't need. There's my spindle that goes with the fire bow. Bug spray, deep woods off, goes on dry. Yeah, that's it for that pocket. There's nothing else in this one. Let's undo these. Beautiful day out. You wouldn't believe that just yesterday we had snow. But let's go to the front pocket first. What I have in here is I have some handkerchiefs for bandana tie-offs, multiple uses. This was a knife I was carrying. This is a tactical with paracord. It serves well. It's light. But, I may still carry it. I don't know just yet. And I had it in a sheath just to protect the blade and protect the bag. This, my first aid kit. It's just a simple kit. I'll be vamping up to a better one, wood tourniquet, etc. I have a small compass, just in case I'm needing it. I stashed it in there. A small piece of lashing paracord. Probably don't need these. Small pair of portable collapsible binoculars. I carry another folding knife, a tactical flashlight, LED, sharpening stone. It's a small one. I got this through Copenhagen. Points reward. But it's small enough to where carry it in a backpack, and if you ever do need to sharpen a knife or axe. Leatherman's tool. All stainless steel. Got multiple blades, Phillips, etc. Yeah, but this is another thing for a Firestarter. Magnifying glass. I need to find some sort of way to protect this. I did have it wrapped up in some of the bandanas. Okay. On into the inside. This here I carry is just a little bit of toilet paper, some dryer lint, which makes great fire starter, especially if you're using your fire steel. You just put a little bit out there and throw a few sparks on it and it goes right up. Got some bute twine. I have this net bag. Now, I usually carry extra pair of socks, shirt, undergarments. I use the net bag because it won't hold moisture. It lets it breathe, especially if you put a pair of wet socks back in here. It'll get a chance to breathe for you and dry out. This is the camping pack, Boy Scouts. That's where I got this. This is back when I was a youngster. I got hold of this. The cover is canvas, but it's all tore. See if I can find another pouch for it. But if not, it's just fine putting it in the bag. But you have your You got your dish to eat out of, skillet, your little hanging pot for stews, etc. The lid, plastic cup for drinking. I don't know if I'll even use this. It's just something that it came with. And then a spork, which is nice to compact. I'll give you an idea on that. And it just folds right up and nice and compact. Legs are getting a little stiff. This here is my Tinder Bundle. I'm not going to get into this. This might be another video on how to make a Tinder Bundle. It's just a little leather bag that I got hold of, and I have different kinds of wood, bark in here, and etc. I do have other things for tinders. I don't know if I really need this. This was thrown in here. It's a pair of shears. They did have the hand saw, but I have to require wherever it went. This here is another Tinder Bundle. It's just a little tin. I have a toilet paper roll with dryer lint in it for fire starting. This here is a wad of tree sap. You mix this in with some cattail and this stuff goes up quick. It smells good too. A lighter if needed. And this is where I keep my fire steel, in this little pouch. Just one of those small cheapos, and I want to get a longer one. Different sheath for my knife, and so everything is all together. And as for the fire bow, you need a way to hold your spindle so that you can spin it on your board, and that board is the other piece is down in the bottom. I should keep it all, do some organization, but I took this antler and I drilled a hole into the base of it so that this will sit in and it gives it a place to pivot. I trying to remember how I held it. been a while. But there was a way that you held it real sturdy. I think it was like that, I can't recall. But it was kind of awkward, so I'm going to go to something else that's kind of cool. But I may use these for some lashing ends and pull tights. This is a little pouch, has a blanket in it. It just unzips and folds out into a blanket. Fleece lined. Running out of room here. This is a hand saw that I had. It's in bad shape. It's got black tape on it. But for cutting limbs or etc., I'm gonna try and find my folding saw. You know, get rid of that pruning shears. I don't need those. This is part of my fire starting. It's just a piece of 1x. You can gather this stuff up in the woods, you know, with your axe, split it, carve it out so where you can do your bow, you know, your fire bow. Get a tinder or get a tinder going. I'm doing this video in the yard. Neighbors driving by. This here is a wind fly from a tent. It's 10 by 10. This also, this green cart that we're working on is a wind fly from a smaller one-man. I want to get a regular tarp because I'm gonna go hammock. I'm gonna be a hanger. I'm done sleeping on the ground. Getting too old for that. And then I have my Marlboro sleeping bag, which is insulated and good. You know, not good for real cold weather, but I don't go out during the winter. Right now, it's one of those things that I'm not really into winter camping. But I use that board. I'm going to put that in the board to keep the shape of the bag, and I don't know. But let's flip this thing around. It's aluminum frame. It hugs your back fairly decent. This is kind of more up toward just underneath your ribs, above your hips. Keeps nice tension going. I carry my axe on the back side of it. I need to get a leather cover. I need to make one or find one. The straps were a little too short. So I use carabiners. You can never know when you could use those while you're at camp. For some reason they're there, you know. I do have an extra carabiner over here. Can't see it, but and it has a nylon Velcro strap, and you can put something in there to carry, like some cordage. Never know. Old Army canteen. I just have that strapped to this strap because it goes around all the way around. I just have it strapped there. But if anybody knows about this pack, when they were made, the model, etc., let me know. But this is what I'm going to start using. Hope you liked the video. We'll get into some more bushcrafting. We're going to start getting out into the woods. Now, I also have my walking stick. I made that. But we're going to get out in the woods and do some, start maybe a bushcraft camp. Get out there a little more often throughout the summer. But yeah, like I said, Anybody know anything about this? Let me know. Anything that I should put in my pack, what I should get out of my pack. Couple days worth of going out, maybe a overnighter, couple overnighters. Go ahead and leave a comment. But remember, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, not the finger. Maybe see you out there.